Hello, so our topic of today is digitizing from a scanned map. So to avoid confusion, digitization in GIS is the process of converting geographic data from a scanned image or a map into vector data by tracing the features. So during the digitization process, features from the traced map or image are captured as coordinates in either a point, let's say the trees and the like, the line, it can be a stream, it can be a river or a road. It must sometimes be a polygon format. A polygon, it might represent a house, or let's just say a building, a boundary of a certain word development area and the like. So once you have scanned the image or the map, you need to georeference it so that you can start digitizing. Because it doesn't necessarily mean that when you have scanned a map, once you bring it into QGIS or another JS application and then you start digitizing. No. What you have to do is you have to georeference it. So georeferencing is the process of assigning real-world coordinates to each pixel or the raster. Okay, so in this exercise, we're going to use a scanned image or a scanned map of Mechiru ward in a Blantyre city. So first of all, you need to enable the georeferencer GDO plugin. The georeferencer GDO plugin is a core plugin which comes with the software. It's already installed. So all you have to do is to activate it and then start using it. So in order to activate it, of course, you need to go to plugins, manage and install plugins. You search for GDO. There is it. There it is. Georeferencer. As you have seen, mine is already activated. Yeah, you activate it and then you close the manage and install plugins. So you need to go at raster on the standard system toolbar and go at georeferencer. Right? So what you have to do is you need to add or you need to import a map that you would like to georeference. In this case, we're going to import our map. I've saved it at the digitizing from a scanned map. This is it, and then I import it to the canvas. Okay, so once we have done that, we need to set the transformation parameters. You need to go to the settings, transformation parameters. From here, you find the different transformation types. Here we're going to use a simple transformation because our map is not very much deformed. But if it's deformed, and then you can use these other transformation types. So I think in the next lecture, if you go around, we are going to look into that. But so for this exercise, let's look at the transformation type linear, and the sampling method should be cubic. Okay. Once you have done that, you need to specify the target SRIS. The target SRIS, because the map that we are trying to georeference is in Malawi, we're going to use the standard SRS for Malawi, which is WGS84 stroke UTM zone. This is Universal Traverse Mekata zone 36 south. Okay, that's the southern hemisphere. So you need to specify the output raster. Here, of course, it has automatically saved it as a modified TIFF. That's a tagged image file format, as it will be a raster file. So you can click on this drop down menu to see, or lookup menu to see where it has been saved. So it has been saved at Eastwood Learning Digitization from a scanned map. So you're going to save it. Once you have done that, you can then click OK. And the next step is to add the ground control points. So this is the easiest way because as you can see, our map it already has coordinate grids. So we Okay, so what we'll do is just to zoom in on the crosses and click on it. Click on a certain node in the grid and type the corresponding x and y coordinates in the dialog that is going to pop up. Okay, so in order for you to add a point, there is this. You need to click on it and then you can add a point. I think for best results, what we need to do is to zoom in where I would like to add our point. So this is it. We'll click on add a point, click on the node. So this is the dialog that has popped up. So we need to add the easting, which is the xy coordinate, and the northings, which is the y coordinate. Okay, so in this case, the easting of the node that we have clicked is 713,500. The northing is 826400. 826400. And then after you have done that, you need to click OK. So once you have done that, you have just added the 1 point. So you need to add another corresponding point. So as you can see, 713,500 is the easting. This is it. So 8264 is the northing, which is this. Okay, once you have done that, let's add another point. At least we should add 4 points. Let us zoom on another point, which I would like. See, it's 71900, and then it's not clear, but because I have the actual image, I can just go and refer to it. Okay. Click add point. It's 71900 for the easting and 826400 for the northing. Yeah, so we have added another point. So as you can see here, the mean error is 0, because you have to make sure that the mean error shouldn't be more than 1. Once the mean error is more than 1, it means you haven't successfully added the ground control point. Okay, so let's add the other ground control points. This is it. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, click on add point and then enter the easting, which is 713,500, and the northings 8257,000. 8257,000. Click OK. Now that's it. Now we have an error of 0.055, which is okay, because at least the error shouldn't be more than 1, as I've already said. So once you have done that, you need to add a ground control point for the remaining point. Okay, add point. Okay, so it's 719,000 8257,000. Okay, yeah, we have added another Gantt control point. As you can see, we have 3 nodes that we have added. Okay, so once you have done that, you now need to start georeferencing, because what we were doing there, we're not georeferencing, we're just adding control points. So on the transformation settings, make sure that you have checked on load in QGIS when done. This means that when you are done georeferencing, your map, the results will automatically be loaded on QGIS. So click on start georeferencing. Georeference successful. Okay. Now you can cross this. It's saying save GCP points. It's up to you. It's either you save the GCP points or you don't save them. It's okay, because it's either you can save them or not. In this case, I've saved them. Okay, so as you have seen, the georeferenced image has been added to our map canvas. So this is the layers panel that we're talking about. The map layout has been displayed in the layers panel. Okay, as you can see, on the fly OTF, our CRIS, or the coordinate reference system, is the one that we have specified in the transformation parameters. Okay, so in order for you to verify that what you have done, or you have done a very good job, first of all, you need to use the coordinate capture tool. The coordinate capture tool will capture coordinates inside the map so that you should be able to see if you have done a very good job. So to activate the coordinate capture tool, you go to manage and install plugins again. Manage and install plugins, search for coordinate capture. There it is. It's already installed and it's already active. So once you have installed it, of course this is a core plugin, so you can uninstall it or do whatever. So here it is. So once you have activated it, you close the manage and install window, manage and install plugin window, and then click on the coordinate capture, so you can start capturing coordinates. So you can zoom where we have our nodes. This is one of the points that we have the nodes. If you capture the coordinate for this, you see that this is the coordinate for the point, and these are the corresponding northings and eastings for that point. So if you can see at the eastings that we're entering, they are pretty much the same with the ones that we have captured here. It's 71350, and the corresponding northing is 826399.012. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same. Okay, so maybe the other way to verify the coordinates that you have, if you have done a very good job in georeferencing, you can add the OpenStreetMap. So of course you're also supposed to download a plugin, or you need to install a plugin, which is Quick Map Services. It's already, I've already installed it. So if you haven't installed it, you need to install it. After I've installed it, check it and then activate it, and then close the plugins window. Once you have done that, If you have installed it, if you go on the web at the standard system menu, you see the quick map services, and then go to OSM. So this is OSM. Go to OSM standard, click OK. So this is it. The background map that you are seeing is the one that we have just added through the quick map services OSM Open State standard. Here it is. So you can see this is Michiru. Alright, this is Michiru. See, this road is called the Chilega road. This is Chilega road and this is Alewa road. So if you uncheck the Michiru layout, you see that we have the Chilega road behind it, and we have the Zalewa road behind it as well. So if you were to zoom inside the OSM, so that's when you see the buildings and the what have you, the Nkango Lodge and the like. Also, now once you have done this, that's when you can now start digitizing